they noticed that a guy with langot and all was posted on the road. So they were like, who is this guy who looks similar to my son? So their reaction was like that. So I later on, my dad came and asked me that, are you doing something of this sort?
Bashwesh, first of all, thank you for taking time out. So how's it going? Like, what's happening there in Mysore at the moment?
It's pretty good right now. We have started training right now, so that is the good thing which is going on over here.
So
So
how many months did you take gap due to the COVID? Like, were there any gap in your training?
no, actually, I didn't have like too much gap wherein like I made a home gym itself. So I have set up my place. So I will be practicing like normal fitness जो भी चाहिए. We will be doing that in my place itself.
Okay,
So
so
partner training wasn't there at that time. That's it.
awesome. So coming to your career, so you've been competing for a long time. So where did it all start for you? What was first encounter with combat sports in general?
So I was actually a sportsman from my childhood days. So gradually, like I didn't want to be in like group events. So I wanted to make it something individual event. So I started concentrating on athletics. Later on, even that was like not that like feeling good for me. So I moved on to contact sport, wherein it would be like completely you who's going to put efforts, and whatever effort has been put, you used to get that effort in the ring or whatever we are doing in that. So keeping that in mind, I started wrestling at the start. So wrestling later on, like I did it for 3.5 years. Later it was like again I thought I need something more. So I just moved on to kickboxing later on in Mysore. At the first time, one of my the first coach started over here. So I started with kickboxing at that time. So gradually we built on to contact sport. Later, like I was the first MMA person who took like who took part in competitions from Mysore. So started MMA, and yeah, later on that went through to other form of arts also.
Uh, so what was the reaction of your parents like when you started competing? Like, family and friends, like how did they react when you start competing?
Yeah. So actually, I didn't even inform my parents that I am into contact sport. Especially when I went to wrestling and all, they didn't even know that I am doing it. So one day they were passing through the roads. So passing through the road, they noticed that a guy with langot and all was posted on the road. So they were like, who is this guy who looks similar to my son? So their reaction was like that. So I later on, my dad came and asked me that, are you doing something of this sort? I saw your post. You didn't even informed us. So that was the reaction of my parents at that time. Later on, I told that yes, I have been practicing this. So I am taking part in Dasra Kusti. So that was where they got to know that I am into contact sport.
So were there any challenges for you when you first started, like physical challenge or mental challenge? Were there any major challenges for you?
Major challenges, as in like with the wrestling and all, I didn't face any challenges or something like that. Later on, when I went to MMA, I was having bit challenges wherein I didn't get enough opponents to fight with, in the sense training partners to fight with. So that was the main challenge actually. Like I have limited members of training partners. So whatever we used to do, both of us knew that. So we didn't have any like competitive or like change in the training patterns. So that was the major thing which we faced at that time. But later on we started moving like to different clubs and started training over there also. So that was pretty helpful for us to gain our knowledge through them also.
So if you recall, like, what was your first fight? Like, did it happen in wrestling or did it happen in any other sport? Like, what was the memory of your first fight, competitive fight, like?
Yeah, usually like most of my fights from day one, I used to finish the fight within like 30 seconds or 40 seconds, or like latest by 1.5 minutes. So that used to be my is actually carried out like that itself. Most of my fights has been has followed like that. But on the first fight when I fought like in kickboxing, it was a club war. So that was being fought in Bangalore. So at that time, we waited till evening actually to get my fight. So I had my lunch in the noon, not even noon actually, like late evening. When I came back, they were calling my name, Basvesh from Mysore. They were calling my name. So immediately after having my food, I just got into the ring, fought really very well, uh, like gave nice beatings also. Later on, almost like 1 second or 3 seconds to finish the round, actually, like the last round, I puked. So due to like heavy rice food I had, so thinking that it would be late or something like that, so I puked. So that is where I lost my first fight. That was the first one which I lost, and then never came across any losses in the fights.
You've been competing for a long time in MMA as well. Like, you've been competing nationally and outside India as well. So what are some of the best memories from your MMA journey so far?
So my second fight in MMA actually was like the best fight which I fought till date. That was with P. Satish from Kerala. So that guy actually gave me very good fight. Like that was my second fight. We fought really very well. Like all 3 rounds we fought, and by the decision I won that fight. So that was the best fight which I fought. And later on in kickboxing, one in Nasik. So I that was the best fight which I fought in kickboxing. And in Muay Thai, the one which recently had the competition of Pro Muay Thai Championship through Roar Championship. So that was also good in that thing. So yeah, and taking up MMA, it's like always pretty good actually. Like I have a very good record in MMA.
You said that you come from Mysore. So what's the reaction to people in Mysuru to combat sports in general, and how's the sport growing there from what you are seeing?
Yeah, actually, it is a pretty fast growing sport right now. Like till date, it was bit slow actually. Nowadays, people used to be like funda kind of people in the sense. I'm sorry to say this, but they are like, will you teach us all flips and all in this days? How many days will it take to complete be a champ? Be something very good? How many days does that take? Those were the questions which usually like keep coming by the different parents and different people who are coming through into the sport. So this is completely muscle memory. Like coming to this sport, it is not like easy for both coach and the athlete. It's completely muscle memory. So it most of the people are losing interest because of that. since we have to do things repetitively, most of the people are losing interest, and there is a lack of, in the sense, continuation in the sport. Many people come, but very few will survive in this sport. So one among them is like me, like, who is still going through this sport and sticking to this sport.
So, what are some of your other interests apart from because I've seen some of your Instagram posts where you are riding the bikes and all. So, what are some of your other interests apart from combat sports?
Yeah, so I love traveling. So I keep traveling, and I am also a psychologist. So I practice psychology also. Like, I do counseling and related to mind illness. So I do that, and yeah, bike and travel is my like favorite part of life, other than martial arts. So I keep traveling every weekend, actually, like whatever week it is, like weekends is like meant for traveling. At least a small ride have to be done. It's like that, to take out whatever stress is there, whatever it is there. I'm a nature lover, so I have to do that. It's kind of a routine kind of thing for me, actually. So that is my interest, wherein I keep doing that with joy.
So, but you're someone that has a lot of experience. So, if someone new is coming into the combat sports arena or the interest, so what is the message that you will be giving to them?
Yeah, take up anything like in combat sport, like kickboxing or boxing or jiu-jitsu or Muay Thai or MMA. One person has to understand that it is not like today you joined, in next few weeks you will be a champ. No, it is not going to happen. Like, you have to practice really very well to get beaten up, also to also like defense, and also to hit. So it takes guts to do this sport, so that has to be there. And yeah, even your parents must agree to the thing which you are going to it, because like after seeing all these things, your parents won't be like that happy that my child is getting beaten up or something like that. First they have to like convince their parents also, and then get into the sport. So just for fun kind of thing, not a good sport for them. If you wanna like do achieve something, then it's a very good sport. Like, keep that in mind and then come into the sport.